Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2023 Mazda CX-50 GT with the optional 2.5 liter turbo engine. Right now you can see all your stats on the right hand side, but I'm just going to quickly tell you what we're going to do, because in the city POV test drive we're just going to go for a relaxed little spring drive. As you can see, beautiful weather here, and yeah, just see how smooth the drivetrain is. We have, like I said, the turbo engine with the 6-speed automatic, and just go for a relaxed little drive. If you want to see a little bit more action in these POV test drives, we have two more. One at night where we test the headlights and the high beams and the high beam assist and kind of see how well they illuminate the road, and one on the highway where we test the active safety assist and all the driving assist that this CX-50 offers to buyers. But of course, if you want to hear all my thoughts, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior, we drive it plenty, and of course we compare it to all the competition on the market, including the just newly refreshed CX-5. I don't know if you can see me, but I can see you guys. Well, that means you can see me. That's how reflections work. Anyhow, we got a little bit more rugged CX-50 interior. See the contrast stitching, very nice and plush. So look at this, very, very nice. But let's start it up. Okay. I want to get the ventilated seats on right away, and I'm gonna open the sunroof for a little bit because it is pretty warm. We're gonna eventually turn all this down so you have less noise, but just quickly gotta, just like this, should be fine. And we can maybe go for a little acceleration run. Of course, always just a small one here in the city. Let's put into sport. And see how quick the CX-50 is. Very noticeable shift there. I don't know if you saw me rocking forward in between the shift, in between the gears, but it was, at least for me, very noticeable. But of course, 256 horsepower with 93, plenty of power. Although I don't think anybody fueled up 93 if you own this right now, because gas prices. Anyhow, I'm just gonna stay quiet for a little bit and just chime in occasionally so you can enjoy the ride. Take a quick peek at the interior, the infotainment. The usual Mazda infotainment controlled with the dial we have here in the middle. No touchscreen, as you can see. Except for, I think, I haven't double checked this yet. I just picked up the car the other day. I think if you go to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it actually becomes a touchscreen. But this menu, at least, is only physical controls down here. But as you can see, pretty quick, pretty responsive, and for the most part, very easy to use. I like it. part there. My bad. That's actually kind of cool that we saw that in action. The emergency braking. I hope you saw it on the HUD, but on the HUD for me it was like a big red, so it's like white font brake and then red kind of like background. That's neat. It's always kind of hard to show these in videos because, well, obviously I don't want to get into situations where the system thinks I'm about to crash intentionally. So, oh, that was neat. There you go. That's how it sounds. But that will conclude our city POV test drive on this 2023 Mazda CX-50. Let's take a quick look at the exterior, and then we're going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said, for all my thoughts, make sure to click somewhere on the screen right now for my full review. And if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because it is absolutely free to you and you get free content to your inbox on YouTube every single week about all sorts of cars, from, well, CX-50s to Raptors to Mercedes and everything in between. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.